So yeah, welcome to Bren Russ Suffers Again. So yeah, for today's suffering, I'm going to be listening to annoying music. Yes, annoying music for I don't know, maybe just an hour, maybe 2 hours. I don't actually know. So yeah, what I said in the intro is what I'm gonna do. So I borrowed my aunt's huge. You know what? This is not huge. This is just a normal speaker. We got my aunt's speaker that I borrowed. So yeah, we're gonna listen to annoying music for an hour or two, probably until only 2 hours. I'm not gonna do four, I'm not gonna do five, probably not, because I have to sleep. I have the first day of classes tomorrow, online classes. Yeah, yeah, this is. Yeah, I'm gonna put. By the way, I'm gonna put this little camera over here near the Boston Celtics, because go Boston Celtics. Yeah, I have another camera here for the face, showing my face. Yes, my ugly face. And yeah. So yeah, I guess I found my first video. Screaming goat for 1 hour. What am I doing? I think that is enough from you. Now let's find like another annoying sound. Holy crap! You don't know how annoying this can be. Let's play. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, mister, that is enough, I guess, for you. That is enough. That is enough. Now, let us find some more annoying music to listen to. Let's go. Alright, I found a perfect sound. So, imagining, you have to wake up, I guess. Perfect sound, I guess. Let's go. Let's do this. That's beautiful. See, kids, there's always an easy way out, but if there's a hard way out, you should go for the hard way. But anyway, there's always an easy way. You just go to the side here, do this, and then you press shut down. After that, you can close your laptop monitor. So looks like I checked my phone. It looks like it is still 7:53. So I didn't even reach 1 hour. We're gonna let that pass because it's only 7 minutes until I got an hour. So yeah, looks like I still won. Yeah. By the way, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.